Today I'm gonna talk about the least common multiple for two given integers. Okay, and today I'm gonna introduce the factoring method. I try to factor the integers to the primes. Okay, to the primes. Prime means this number can be divided by itself or 1. Okay, so here I gave you two numbers, 8 and 12. How to factor 8 and 12? Now let's take a look. For 8, we can factor as 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. And again, 2 is the prime because it can be divided by 2 or itself or 1, right? And so we couldn't continue to factor 2. And for the 4, we can easily tell that can be factored by 2 times 2. Okay, so now we have 3 factors, 2 to 2. And how about the 12? 12, the easiest way we can think about is 3 times 4, right? 3 times 4. Or some people would like to say 2 times 6. That's okay. And for the 3, that's a prime, okay? Because it can only divide by 3 or 1, okay? Divide by 3 and 1. And for the 4, we can factor as 2 and 2. Okay, now we find all the prime for these two numbers. Now we're going to do the combination. Okay, combination for the LCM. For this case, we're going to find the common factors. Here we have two 2's. Okay, two 2's. So we're gonna write down two 2's. We have repetition, right? Here's 2, 2, 2, 2. Two 2's. So we're gonna have common factor 2 times 2, right? From these two. And now we're gonna pick the other two factors, 2 and 3. So we have 3. And then multiply together, we're gonna get 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so the idea is very simple. If we have repetition, okay, if we repetition, we just pick once. Here we have repetition, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. So 2 times 2, okay, 2 times 2 from repetition. And then here we have another 2 and here another 3. We just pick them, 2 times 3. So we got the 24. That is LCM. Now I'm gonna give you guys another example. For example, how to find the 6 and 8. What is the LCM for these two numbers? We're gonna follow the same strategy. Factor the 6. So 6 can be a factor as 2 times 3, right? 2 times 3. How about 8? 8 can be factored as what? 2 times 4. Okay, 2 times 4. And 4 also can be factored as 2 times 2, right? We keep factoring until we find the prime numbers. Okay, so here we can see we have common repetition. Okay, common repetition or common factors, 2 and 2, right? So the LCM, if we have repetition, we just pick once. Here's 2. We have repetition 2. And we have the other the other three factors. Okay, the other three factors. Here's a 3, here's 2, here's 2, and the final result gonna be 6. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, oh, 24 again, right? Now I'm gonna try a little bit tough one. For example, 6 and 9. How to find the LCM for these two numbers? Again, we can use factoring method. 6 can be write down as 2 times 3, right? And the 9 can be write down as 3 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3. Now, it's very clearly we can see we have repetition prime, that is 3. Okay, so we can easily write down the LCM is 3, pick once. If there is a repetition, we just pick once. Here is 3. And the left ones, we have 2 and 3. So we just need to do times 2 times 3. Right? And we're going to get 18. And 18 is the least common